how to use track changes in Microsoft Word. If you are collaborating on a document, emailing drafts back and forth, or editing a script, trying to figure out what someone changed manually is an absolute nightmare. Instead of typing out notes in red text or highlighting paragraphs by hand, you need to let Word do the heavy lifting. So I will show you how to activate track changes, customize edits, and review modifications. Right then, so to start your edits, open up your document and head straight over to the Review tab on the top ribbon here. Locate the Tracking Group panel. Let us find Tracking. There you go, this one. And then click on the primary Track Changes button to turn it on, right here. Okay, once activated, every letter you type, delete, or reformat will be captured in a live revision ledger. Right next to that button, you will see a drop-down menu for Display for Review. So by default, it's set to Simple Markup, which hides the messy red strike throughs behind a clean vertical red line in the left margin. But if you want to see every single deleted word and inline adjustment in real time, don't forget to choose Whole Markup. As you can see in my case, it's chosen. When it's time to finalize the document, you have a total control over which edits stay and which ones go. So stay on the Review tab and look immediately to the right of the tracking pane to find the Changes group section. Use the Next and Previous arrow buttons to jump sequentially from one edit to another. As you can see, we have Previous and Next. Then, when Word highlights a change, click the top half of the Accept button to lock the edit into your permanent text stream, or Reject to instantly revert the wording back to the original draft. So just remember to turn the changes off for tracking before you send the absolute final copy out. That's it. Enjoy and see you soon, guys.